decorating the ballroom. You can do.
Hello everyone, I am back with another letter from the A to Z collaboration. Now this collaboration is hosted by Shenell from Angelic Interiors by Shenell. Now she has an awesome home decor channel with lots of decorating tips and ideas. So I would like to encourage you to stop by her channel, and I will leave a link in the description box to her channel. So today my letter is R, and I will be talking about rugs. So in my opinion, rugs are essential to decorating. They help to ground a room and define a space. They come in many colors, patterns, sizes, textures, and prices. And some people like to layer rugs, which I will share in my living room in a bit. But first, I want to share a few tips on how to choose a rug from wayfair.com. So in the living room, you have three options. You can have all the furniture legs on the carpet, like what's featured in this picture. Or you can have no legs on the rug. Or you can just have the front legs of the furniture on the rug. Okay, as far as the bedroom, you can have the rug partially underneath the rug, underneath the bed. Or you can have the bed fully on the rug from the headboard to beyond the footboard. And the last economical option would be just a throw rug on the side of your bed. Now, as far as your dining room, there's only one option, and that is to make sure all the legs of the chairs are on the rug when you pull the chairs out. And the same thing would apply for a round table. So obviously these are just options, and they are a personal preference, and you should choose whichever option works best for you in your home. So here in my home, I chose to have the front legs of the sofa on the rug. Now I purchased this rug from Ross, which is a great place to purchase a rug if you're on a budget. I think it's also a good choice if you only have a few members in your family and if it's not a high traffic area. And this rug in my sitting area was also purchased from Ross. And once again, this is not a high traffic area, so I felt comfortable purchasing a rug from Ross. So here in my living room, this rug is just here for a temporary time. A year ago, I saw this rug at Tuesday morning, and I purchased it for my makeover on my office in my lower level. It's not ready yet, but I went ahead and bought the rug because I knew if I didn't buy it that it would be available when I wanted it. Okay, so here in my guest bathroom, I placed this pink rug on the floor. And here's a weird fact about me. When it comes to the bathroom rugs, I prefer not placing the rug on the floor until it's time to use it. I like to hang it over the tub or put it in a basket like I have here with some other bath essentials. And the same thing goes for my master. I like placing the rug over the tub, but I do keep the rugs on the floor by the sinks. And so here, guys, this carpet stick by Resolve, this is what I use to spot clean my area rugs as well as the high traffic areas on my wall-to-wall carpet. So guys, I just want to thank you for subscribing. I want to thank my new and my returning subscribers. Guys, we are almost at 20,000 subscribers. And I could not have done this without you. So thank you so very much. And if you are not a subscriber and you like my channel, I would really appreciate it if you would consider subscribing. This helps my channel and it helps me to bring new content to you guys.